In Stockton, California, this eerie footage captures a woman ringing the doorbell and peeking through the door glass. Creepy enough to give anyone chills. She didn't stop there, though. She went to another house, checking out their car, too. Definitely suspicious. Stay alert, folks. If you're enjoying the wild ride of these crazy clips, why not give that like button a little love? And hey, if you want to keep up with all the shenanigans, hit subscribe. Join the crew. We promise not to steal your packages or your snacks. In Daly City, California, a chilling scene unfolded as masked men were caught peeking through windows late at night. This is a creepy reminder to always keep your windows locked tight, especially after dark. You never know who might be lurking outside. Stay safe. Check out this fearless porch pirate in San Francisco, CA. Bold enough to steal in broad daylight. Keep an eye on your packages, folks. In Stockton, California, this house was broken into around 7 p.m. The thief used a rock or something similar to smash the backsliding door. Stay alert, folks, and always secure your doors. In Antioch, California, this lady seems up to something strange. What do you need, lady? It's unsettling, and she definitely doesn't belong there.
Thanks.
In San Francisco, California, a break-in was caught on camera after the homeowner left their car unlocked at night. Luckily, there was nothing inside to steal, but seriously, don't leave your car unlocked. In San Francisco, California, even a Tesla wasn't safe. Thieves broke into the car at 1 a.m., proving that even autopilot can't escape these crooks. Keep your valuables out of sight. In Redwood City, California, a suspicious man wandered onto this porch looking like he was definitely on something. Best advice? Keep your doors locked, just in case. In Antioch, California, be cautious. This man rang the doorbell at 2:30 a.m. and lingered for over 30 minutes, even trying the side door. The police were called to handle the situation. Stay safe, everyone. In Atherton, California, a masked man was caught trying to open car doors. Always remember to keep your car locked to prevent unwanted visitors. In Daly City, California, it's time to secure those packages. Better grab them before someone else does. In Redwood City, California, a shameless thief boldly steals a kid's bike in broad daylight. This behavior needs to stop. In San Francisco, California, a thief managed to sneak into a backyard from a neighbor's house or apartment and then escape through the breezeway gate. Stay vigilant. In San Francisco, California, a car was burglarized with most valuables stolen. At least the thief had the decency to leave the owner his umbrella. Really? Remember to lock your car. In San Francisco, California, there are many coyotes roaming around. It's best to keep your children and pets inside to stay safe. In San Francisco, California, this guy returned twice to steal the Ring doorbell. It seems like they're trying to remove the cameras so they can rob the house without getting caught. Stay vigilant. In San Francisco, California, someone sneaked into this backyard at night and left through the door. Remember to keep your backyard locked. This mail thief just broke into several mailboxes and snatched a bunch of mail. Thankfully, the homeowner has a USPS account, but it's a good reminder to keep an eye on those Doorbell app notifications. Stay alert. What's the wrong with these guys? San Francisco, California. Sunnyside. A suspicious person was spotted trying the side gate of a house early in the morning. Remember to keep your doors locked and stay alert.